I'm Elise with Dirt Road Dancing, and today we are going to hip-hop it out to Kickin Up Mud by the Lax. I'm actually going to face this way so you can see what my boots are doing. All right, our first 8 count is we're going to take 2 steps to the right, followed by a left turn. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7. Now remember, whenever those boots come together, you gotta stomp it out, right? All right, let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7. Nice job. All right, our next 8 count is we're gonna shuffle step with our right into our left, and then right step forward, and then a back step. Count it out. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, forward 5, 6, back 7, 8. Okay? Then we're going to shake it out. We're going to shake it to the right, then we're going to shake it to the left, and then we're going to turn it to the next wall. This dance is a 4-wall dance, so you're going to shake it all around the room. Here we go. Shaking it right in 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, shake it 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we're facing the next wall, the last count is the trickiest. So we're going to take that right toe, and we're going to hop on 1. We're going to kick it out on that left heel for 2, back up on that right heel or toe for 3, and then back on that left heel for 4, then on the right heel for 5, on the left heel for 6, and then we're going to step forward with our right and then stomp it with our left. So let's put some counts behind that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, heel 5, heel 6, 7, stomp. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, heel 5, heel 6, step 7, stomp. All right, let's put all the counts together and dance it out. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, shuffle 3 and 4, 5, 6, back 7, 8. Shake it right, shake it left, turn it 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Stop. All right, let's dance it out. Put on the music.